To and for. To is used with a verb. I came to eat lunch. Eat is a verb. For is used with a noun. I came for lunch. Lunch is a noun. More examples. I have a cup of chamomile tea every night to help me sleep. Jamie exercises every day to stay healthy. Scott went to the library to borrow a book. I'm going to boil some water for a cup of tea. Jamie exercises every day for his health. I'm going to the store for some milk. We also use the preposition to in these cases. Destination. I went to Canada last summer. Giving. I gave some chocolates to my wife. Distance. It's a 6-minute walk to the train station. Please note that this sentence is using walk as a noun. The article a comes before the adjective phrase 6-minute, followed by the noun walk. In this sentence, the adjective phrase 6-minute tells us how long it takes to get from where we are to the train station. Distance can also be measured with time when we talk about how long it takes to move between two locations. We will use the preposition for in these cases. An amount of time. I'll be gone for about 30 minutes. Helping someone. I shovel the driveway for my neighbors. Benefits. Using less plastic is good for the environment. This video was made to support my blog post that covers this grammar in detail. At the blog post, you will find a quiz. Audio quiz answers to improve your listening skills while you test your English knowledge, and a free quiz PDF download that you can do anytime offline. It's also perfect for teachers to use in private or group English lessons. Plus my fun 2 and 4 infographic. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.